Felix Koskei is today a happy man, and maybe his prophecy when he stepped aside at that time will vindicate him has come to materialize. The suspended Agriculture Cabinet Secretary was today cleared of the only remaining corruption allegation facing him. The Director of Public Prosecution, Keriako Tobiko, has ordered the closure of a file in a case in which Koskei was accused of irregularly awarding and allocating permits to 10 sugar importers.
I've been there for 3.5 hours. What's the problem? I've been waiting. 4 hours.
Tobiko terminated the case on grounds that under the Sugar Act, Import, Export and Byproducts Regulation, the Cabinet Secretary has no role in the process of considering an approval of import permits. His suspended Energy Counterpart Davis Chirchir will, however, have to wait longer as the DPP wants further investigations conducted over a transfer of 90 million shillings from the Kenya Pipeline Company to Kenya Power for a non-contract. Also to still know his fate is Narok Governor Samuel Tunai, who is to be further investigated on Mara Triangle revenue collection, hiring of helicopter by the county government, and procurement of caps as a service provider. Engineer Michael Kamau has also been left off the hook on allegations of influencing a contract for clearing and forwarding service for the standard gauge railway. With the foregoing, a section of members of parliament want President Kenyatta to now reinstate those who have been cleared of any wrongdoing by the DPP.
Tumepata report kwamba kuna wale ambao hawakukutwa na makosa yote. Sisi tunataka warutishwe kasini. Manake sisi tuna
expect that members of the cabinet and any other public officer who had been forced to step aside on the basis of allegations of their names being within the EACC list, that once cleared, they should be able to resume their duties.
That the 60 days is over. Can we know those people who have been cleared and be taken back to their offices? Because we know the time they were told to step aside and other people given those dockets to act. Acting and being in the ministry are two different things.
Some legislators, however, have no kind word for the DPP.
If we don't do something about the office of the Director of Public Prosecution, then this war which we are nearly losing is going to be lost completely.
However, the under-fire public prosecutors received support in equal measure, with some senators saying he enjoys security of China and any attempt to own him out of office is just a game of musical chairs.
None of them is saying that the DPP enjoys protection of the Constitution and acts under nobody's direction or no authority's direction. None of them is saying that the DPP acts only on facts and evidence placed before him.
That it is not the sole role of the DPP to do investigations. The DPP's role is to prosecute. The DPP acts against the evidence given to him. Whenever there is no evidence or there is insufficient evidence to that effect, then the benefit of doubt remains on the accused.
Eric Biegon reporting for Channel 1 News.